Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable suggesting notes with uplinks on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So, what you want to do is to open Settings, swipe down, tap on Notes, swipe down again, and below the viewing section in the uplinks you have option called Suggest Notes with Uplinks. So now this feature is enabled, now it is disabled. So just by clicking on the button you can adjust whether you like to have it enabled or disabled. So now enabled, now disabled. I'm going to leave it disabled because I don't want to have this feature, but it's up to you, up to your needs. So this is it. Thanks for watching, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!